Man, this place is so wet. Why is it so wet? Well, at least our feathers are okay to it, right? Yeah, but I don't want to keep on falling. I mean, I need to hold on something. Okay, but hey, let's just go over there. Let's okay, I think we've explored enough of nature, you guys. So this ain't over yet. Okay, guys, we're almost there. We're almost back to the house. Wow. Oh, I can't believe we're going back. Hey. I think he said mighty? Who knows? Come on, you guys. You guys, come on. Mighty Eagle, come on. Yeah, Mighty Eagle, come on. Come on. Yeah, we did it. Okay, Mighty Eagle, shut the gate. Well,